I see nothing. Okay, get out, get out, get out. I don't see nothing. Alright, got it. Oh, 3. No, 4. No, 3. Se murieron los... Mommy, you're gonna throw away this.
What happened? What's going on? Find my sister.
No. But it's you.
You happen to know what kind of shoes she was wearing?
Is that all right? It will be.
Sorry.
I think that laptop is a sole communications device, which means data files on hard drives.
Go.
Records.
He's scared. He on my finger.
PAU Tech Center?
Nothing viable yet.
So ultimately you're no closer to catching him tonight.
Trust me, I am well aware that he is probably out there hunting as we speak. Now, if I wake up in the morning and I'm off there,
Ay, Belén, ¿para qué tú lo...
There's a duck, a duckling. There's a baby. He's gonna fly.
Oh,
He just kept it outside.
Don't they follow you, right?
Yeah, you heard it.
He really like to eat. Oh my God.
Well, do not feed them, they're full.
But we have it going to the lab.
We have the sample sent over to the local.
Oh my God, Johnny! What do you keep blaming me for your loserness? Oh,
I know.
I have one heart.
You want me to do it?
No.
Clearly, you're booty. Yeah, I died 7 times trying to do that one level.
I didn't see any
You died 7 times trying to do the other level.
I didn't die, I just fell off.
Jesus, it's worse.
Yeah, ma, they have no grip on them. Like they're just sliding everywhere.
My official statement was that I hate Los Angeles. What's happening? Francis is gonna take my lead. Good choice.
Remember, if he's the unstudied machine of the disorders, doesn't take your hand.
I only can't believe that someone like him could do this. Someone like him.